Hello everyone, I will be creating this geometry shape table using a simple star and then creating this geometry shape table out of it. So let's begin. Let's create something with this star shape. Okay, this is a simple star and this will be the starting point. Let me delete and create the star. Shift A, mesh, come down to extras and then click on simple star. Okay, so the star is added. Now click on this to expand the settings and I will increase the number of points. So increase this all the way to 9 and I will adjust the inner radius so I can bring this out just about here. Okay, and then I will press tab to go into the edit mode and I will create a loop cut in the center. So Control R and then click to accept and right click to leave it in the center. And now these vertices are already selected. What I want to do is deselect the outer vertices. So I will hold Control and start to drag to deselect the ones I don't need. Okay, and I'll quickly deselect all of the outer vertices, leaving the inner ones selected. Okay, and now I will bring it down. Press G and press Z to just bring it down. Okay, this much is enough, and I need to expand the bottom. So I'll just go to the front view. In the wireframe view, I'll just select and bring it down. You take a look. Okay, and then I'll just scale it in. Yeah, bring it down just a little bit and scale it in just a little bit. And now I will go to the front view, select all of these, bring it down just a little bit. And then this is the one, the inner vertices that I just selected. And I will move it down, press G and move it down like this. I will scale these out, outer than the previously outer vertices. Okay, now this is getting in shape, and now I'll select all of the top vertices and just scale them in. Okay, this much is fine, and I would like to expand the bottom vertices, give it a bit of height, just move it down a little bit. And now these inner vertices, I would like to bring them out. So shift click to add to the selection. So I'll select only the inner vertices and scale them out just a little bit. Okay, and now I'll switch to the face selection and I will select all of the top faces and deselect the ones at the bottom, making sure only the top is selected. And I will duplicate it, shift D to duplicate and then just right click. And now this selection I will separate it, press P and then click on selection and now press tab to go into the object mode. And this piece that I extracted, I will give some thickness to it. So come down to the modifiers, click on add modifier and then I will click on solidify. Okay, so I'll take this in the reverse so it can go up. So this much thickness is fine, and I will collapse this, press the arrow, click on apply, and now I can bring the pivot point in the center. At the moment if I move, you can see the pivot point is over here. So right click, set origin and then click on origin to geometry, and now I will scale this out a little bit. Press S to scale and I will press Shift Z so that it only scales in the X and Y. Okay, so this much scale is enough. So it comes out a little bit, creating a small lip detail. And now I will add a bevel modifier. Click on Add Modifier and then click on Bevel. Okay, so I will adjust the amount of the bevel. So hold Shift and then click and drag so I can set the value that is acceptable. So 0.3, 0.35. Okay, so this is fine. And then for the remaining part, I will also add the bevel modifier. So click on Add Modifier and then click on Bevel. Okay, so I can reduce the amount. Hold Shift so I can easily adjust the value. So 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 is a good value. Okay, so let me just bring this up all the way here. Okay, so modeling of this geometry shape table is complete, and taking a star shape and then making a geometric shape table out of it. So I hope this was useful to you. So thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like it if you enjoyed it, and see you next time with another video. Take care and bye bye.